Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered, I'm back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Na le tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Na le sikolo saka Jesu. Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
I'll never.
But what do you want from me, Dlamini?
You know what I want.
What do you want from me?
I want you.
Excuse me?
You.
Forget it. Because you don't want to buy me.
No, I want
fucking. Okay, where's my 5K? For flowers. You see, you're not serious about me.
Oh, 5K.
But I want flowers. What do you want to buy me those Woolworths one?
Malia Cross, 5K.
No, it's for thingy.
No, but I fute ulota dura nakhona.
They 300 rand.
Hey, yeshekasi ngabonile bo.
Pambene.
90 rand, 100.
You want to buy me 90 rand flowers?
Hey.
It's not the thought that counts. You are not going to buy me 90 rand flowers. No. I'm materialistic. You should know that by now.
I know it.
Yo, we don't like that.
Amandla lawe anginayo 5K ngizoyithatha 5K.
Cela 5K Dlami. Incinci nale ndicelayo.
Uyangihlomathaza kodwa lesa namhlanje please.
Sawuzonika le 5K.
Angeke isana singagodisani ngeke. Ngifuna nje lo uthi ngize ngiyicinge ngeke. Five.
You hate me, ne?
No, I love you.
Oh, my goodness. You embrace me. Hi, guys. How are you? I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys mind?
No, you don't.
Sir, you look nervous.
No.
You don't?
Yeah.
Okay, just follow me this side. I don't want us to be in front of someone's gate. We'll just take it over here. Are you guys sure you don't mind? Sir, you look nervous. On my left, please. Okay. No, love you. Fine on my right. Name?
Okay. Sipiwe.
Sipiwe and?
Nimza.
Nimza?
Yeah.
Nimza? How long have you been with Sipiwe?
3 months, man.
3 months. Yeah. Still going strong?
Yeah, just strong.
It's not that's not convincing.
No, it's strong.
It's strong.
You know, that's because I love her. That's why.
Yeah. Okay. Girl, Sipiwe, where did he meet you?
Emol.
Okay, do you remember what's the first thing he said to you when he met you?
Abafana bayashaya ungishayashayile. I don't
No,
remember. I don't remember the words verbatimly, but ungishayashayile, and then ngazithola sengi inside.
And are you happy inside though?
Honeymoon phase.
Really? For 3 months?
Yebo.
Hey, Nimza, uphathana kahle ne?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, my honeymoon phase last 1 week. Sekusiliwa. Maybe I'm the problem, ne? You need to teach me, Sipiwe.
I need to be so festive. It's because maybe there was money involved. So no wonder it lasted until the 3rd month.
So when there's no money involved, you think there's going to be tension?
Indlala ibangulaga.
Hey, you're not lying.
I'm not.
Nimza, is she lying?
First thing is respect. You must respect your person.
Really?
Yeah.
And then after that is what? Money?
Money, obviously money is needed. So, but you don't put it first.
First. Okay, so does she respect you?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay. Okay, it's pure. Does he respect you?
I think he's more deserving of the respect that he's.
Yes, women must get love and men must get respect.
Yeah.
Okay, I hear you.
Okwamanje, we in the stage where like he's deserving. Singazi ke as time goes.
As time goes.
Hey, kungashuba.
Amadoda ayaphoxa guys.
Yeah, in the desert with no water.
Exactly. Absolutely.
Yeah. So.
Oh my God. Okay, there's respect there. Okay, but is there trust there?
Yeah, we trust each other.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
9.
Yeah.
So you're leaving 1 for disappointment?
Yeah, because there must be a room at least for disappointment.
Yeah. Okay. Spiel?
I trust myself.
But do you trust him?
Benefit of the doubt. Ngeke sazi if ilidile ngawa.
anytime.
Yo.
Okay. I hear
Yeah,
you.
but then angakaboni lutho. Khuluma iqiniso, so yeah.
Okay, what do you like about him? Sorry, lovey to cut you. Carry on.
No, I was saying angakaboni anything, so singamupha leyo trust.
Ne.
If a card, yeah.
Simnika how much out of 10?
Asithi 3 getting there.
Ah,
You need to leave a room for improvement. Aibo, guys, this is a man we're talking about.
So you don't trust me?
hey, dudes, we don't trust men.
Like
Generally, I also don't trust men.
yeah.
What makes you real? Doesn't trust.
You? We've seen things, guys.
Bayingekho abantwana abafatherless.
True.
And it was because of her
Men
who decided
to go buy milk and never come
and never
back.
came back.
Oh, I can't deal. Okay, what is it that you like about him physically?
Hey, uyadreama. Namanje
Physically,
uyasho.
baby, physically.
Oh, physically.
Yes.
Uyajima.
I can see that.
Age, I'm a muscle.
You sleep on a chest, you sleep on a
Yebo.
flat ass plate.
Yes, I
Okay.
angithuke. La ngilala ngikhululeke.
Yeah.
Ayikho intruder engabypass. Now uyabona. So yep.
What about you? What do you like about her physically?
Curves.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Nice nose.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I have a personified nose. Stop lying.
But he likes it.
But I like it, baby, you know. Like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I like everything about her.
Okay.
Every single thing is on point. Like,
Don't act shy. Why are you acting shy?
I'm not. I'm just thinking. Well, I'm not shy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Being cutesy, being Timure.
Yebo.
Okay. Okay, girl, I hear you. Guys, I want to get straight to the point now. What we do on this show, we basically make couples switch phones. So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps for about 60 seconds.
switch what?
Cell phones.
Yeah.
And you guys go through each other's WhatsApps for about 60 seconds. I don't like your face, it's pure.
I don't have my phone.
Is she telling the truth?
Eish. Baby, it's a mirror model.
I don't have my phone with me. I don't have my phone with me.
You know, why would you leave your phone behind?
Cause iphukile.
Is she telling
Baby,
the truth?
baby, I read.
You also want to leave?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah?
You can take out your phone.
My phone.
Yeah.
But we need to check yours as well.
I don't have my phone. I'm telling the truth.
Mara, my lady, you know the first thing you must know.
This girl.
Phone, it's a privacy amount.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you don't have to. Not get change the phone na lamot.
So when you don't want to switch phones,
Yeah, na get sharp because I'm trusted and I want trust. So it's okay.
are you hiding anything in there, Nims?
Mm.
Nims, are you hiding something?
No, I'm not hiding anything. Why is today? Baby, why is it? Nalena rahata na get. Why is nalena rahata?
That one is loud and clear, but then you're missing the point.
Thank you.
We
You
are
say you're
swiping
smart.
phones.
You're smart.
Sizoye molini. It's actually our way. So now we're talking about phones.
Thank you.
Baby, lo na it's phone again. Get privacy ya. Get lo na privacy lo.
Names are- you are-
Privacy is what you're hiding with your clothes. I don't know about
Thank you. And you've shared it anyway.
exactly. So
Nims, awuzoyikhupha le phone.
Hmm?
Awuzoyikhupha le phone.
Ish. Let's see. Yeah.
You finally.
okay, I also lied. Let me also take out mine.
Oh wow. Probably knew.
Anita, I wanted him to go first. He needs to lead, yes.
Okay, fine. Passcode. Can I hold it? Password. Please open your phone. Nims. Dagbona, you don't want to, but hey, we're here now. Thank you. Please go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Okay, type love you, ne?
Love you. Okay, that's me.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Miss you. That's me.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type outside. Let's see who he's fetching.
Outside. Oh, Anyeg, that's not me.
Okay,
No
go to the
bull.
chest. No bush.
Nobuhle Bubu. Okay, I think Bubu is a nickname for Nobuhle. Okay, then there's also Sbongile, but Nobuhle appeared first.
I go into the chat.
Nobuhle.
Why were you fetching a Nobuhle?
Wednesday, which is yesterday. Haibo.
Come closer, Nimza, come closer. Come answer to your sins.
Mang, ke mang. Taka-
Nobuhle yesterday.
Oh, I
7th.
ke chumi yami.
It's your friend.
Yeah.
Go, just scroll, lovely. Just
So ulandum gana kongo 10 when? Is it making sense?
Yeah, I get it.
Go 10. Haibo. Okay, what a nice friend, gay. And then?
would you like to call Nobuhle to confirm?
Yeah, can she confirm?
Because I see Valentine your son around. Can I just thank you? This is your friend, Nims.
Yeah, I get friend. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Ora to dlala uka phela.
Nidlala ngo 10. Ngo 10.
But tell ebusuku.
Ngama late 12.
Yeah.
You're tongue tied, Nims. I need to hear you say something.
Wavela washisa.
No, we take it chonge. Yeah.
And you've been saying like 10 times now.
Yeah, you've been saying. Okay, if Nobuhle is not a friend, are you gonna stay or leave?
Hathi simuzu nobuhle ukuthi uze ngani?
Then you'll decide after.
I think I've already decided. Hi, mina masimba.
Oh, it's not looking good. The chats are not looking good. I
And
understand.
they're not.
They're not looking good. Oh, sana bantu.
Ake ra dlala di chomi phela jo.
Ngo 10 ebusuku.
Sure. Hi, son. Hey, and there's Hi, am I speaking to Nobuhle?
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thanks of you.
I'm good. Am I speaking to Nobuhle?
Yes, she's speaking.
Hi Nobuhle.
Hi,
Unjani girl?
ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Ukhuluma noSiphiwe ne?
Ngikhuluma no?
noSiphiwe.
Okay.
Yeah, ngithola amanamba akho efonini kaMbhuti wami uNimza. Do you know Nimza?
Yes, I know him. I'm his girlfriend.
Wavela wangena endabeni. From nini Nobuhle?
Sorry,
Ngithi from nini? Nicele nini? Okay, relationship.
it's been 3 years and I'm pregnant.
Yeah. Oh, all right. So ngiyatheni izolo bekuyenzakalani?
Hayi, nemibuzo eminingi ngibangela isicefe ngapha ngisinda nawe umntwana. Hayi.
She just cut the call. So umithi Nobuhle wena, iyafeba wena.
Ucheka ngo 10.
Febe nayiza sifebe. Iyafeba.
Ish.
Pregnant uNobuhle.
Yeah.
So you are dating uSiphiwe ngapha umithi uNobuhle. So uSiphiwe what, was she a side chick?
Could never be.
Answer, you tongue tied. I need
Eish.
to hear you speak, sir.
No, ke mistake phela tsa.
Ooh. Sphiwe,
Hi.
what do you have to say?
Main character ngisanefika mina. Yeah, ayingisayibambili. Main character. Yeah.
Okay, but what do you think about the fact that she's pregnant? And
It's fine.
Yes.
Babies are a blessing, except it's not mine. So ngizothatha ifika yami and walk away.
And walk-
Ngayiphi budget futhi?
Mar we can
So akanamali for umntana.
fix.
What was broken? What was broken?
Questions that
Obviously
you
it's
answer.
broken now again, so we can fix it.
Yindlu ukhuluma ngabantwana because uyazi ukuthi ubundle is on the way.
Oh, he's been talking about.
Exactly. Awuboni ngibuza ngebudget. So ithi ngiqoqosha isidima sami. Ngithatha ifika yami and walk away. Wena receive blessing yakho and you've been planning so planile. So uyayazi lento Nobuhle akhuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Never be considered.
Are you gonna say
No,
something?
like it was. This happened because of like nasi you malobanyana. So that's why I had to at least keep a bisinyana.
Yeah.
Eh.
3 years. Malobanyan, uthini kahle kahle? Your timeline is not timelining. 3 years unobuhle. And mina Malobanyan, I was not there. Ngothe izolo uphumile. And she's heavily pregnant. Uthini kahle kahle?
You tata puti.
Okay, ke go boele nnete fela. Ke gale ke jola lene ge. So ne ke batla go bolela ke ikentsha fela. Ha bo.
Okay.
Okay.
You
okay.
ate. You ate. You ate. It's fine.
Next.
Congrats.
Okay, can we still have your phone, love? We still need to check your phone.
Yes, please.
So the relationship is done.
With my
Mari,
bigger
it's not
main
done.
character.
It's not done.
What do you mean it's not done?
what do you mean?
What are you gonna do about Unobuhle?
It's not done. Why you then? It's not done.
I guess a lot.
Well, the phone is sweet.
Okay.
Because Namdi lost son. Right.
Mara
Okay,
no
what's
taka nya dilo lo yena.
Oh, dim, low.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, type love you.
Love you.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, again na fela.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you. Okay, I don't see
Yeah,
anything
again.
dodgy, yeah. Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Still again.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Okay, I don't see anything dodgy. Okay, type last night. Oh, clean sign. Type pregnant. Clean. Okay, delete that. Type test. Why, Sana? Your woman is clean. Type morning after pill.
Morning.
Morning after pill. Clean. Give your woman back her phone, sir. How do you feel?
Manje clean.
Because she was loyal to you only. It's hidden loyal.
Yes.
But it doesn't matter because she's ending the relationship. Pelil.
Mara problem na ke lona ke re
Oh, where's the problem? Oh, okay, let's leave. Masamba Dlamini. Papayin. Let's leave with our cameras. We do apologize. Dlamini ukuthi like isithi. We are the problem.
ngoba batholanga thina efonini
Eba.
bathola unobuhle lawo mtholi thina singenayo
Sigena kulonto leyo. Sigena down, guys. I feel like asingen down. In fact, sibancedile. Thank you. Like Dlamini, we can close, no?
and abantu ehlangana nabo manje ngoJanuary kanje ba right yabo basenhlahleni because bakuzokhona ukubona izinto kusase
Yes, and then start the year off. You know?
abudlala ngengane yabanye
Exactly. The whole year.
awu
2026 is a personal year. This is the year I get to be a skinny bitch. This is the year I get to be a skinny bitch.
you have goals
Yes. And my only goal is to be skinny.
that's possible
I'm ambitious, no?
you're ambitious.
I feel like I'm not, though. Like my only dream in the world is to be skinny.
That it's an ambition.
Yeah.
own.
Yeah, guys, please don't undermine my goals and my ambitions. Just because you guys have bigger goals
Yabo.
doesn't mean we all need to be the same. Thank you.
Omunye uthe ufuna ukuya kugwayi omunye ufuna ukuya kutshwala.
Yes, then omnifuna indlu,
Yabo.
omnifuna imoto.
Ah.
I just want to be skinny.
Nje.
Thank you.
Ayi,
What about you, Dlams?
skinny Lisa.
What about you, Dlams?
Angifuni manje, angifuni into eziningi.
Funa imali.
Mali kuphela.
Oh, okay. I wanna be.
Mana,
I want money and I wanna be skinny.
Ake ngibuze first ithi let me just be honest and ask this question so that abantu they will know ukuthi what is it exactly that I have to do so that izinto zowenza ngendlela engicabanga ngayo nangendlela engifisa ngayo.
Okay.
Let's just put money aside. Yabo?
We can never put money aside.
Lisa ngiyacela mfethu ngicela ukuthi ungi-understand. Ngicela ukuthi ungi-understand.
Okay.
Ake sithathe imali sibe nje eceleni for a minute
Okay.
and you look at me and you analyze me
Without the money.
without the money. Uyabona when you look at me and analyzing me, imali ayikho, uyikhiphe.
Okay.
Ngaphandle kwemali, what is it that I need to do? Ukuthi mina nawe sigcine siyilento.
You need to get le mali ngaphandle. Go and fetch le mali ngaphandle. It's fine. I mean, because for example, I'm a lazy girl that sits at home, so you know the money is not gonna come from me. It has to come from you.
I'm not saying I would not.
Like if like isuke endaweni imali and
Understand.
it's ayizosuka kum.
Okay, I understand that part.
Yes.
My thing is, I'm not saying ukuthi lento yethi siyenzeka, money would not be involved, right? But not as much as wena we expecting akhona.
Then
Namanje ubungitshela nge5k.
incinci kwalo 5K.
Njani sani incinci njani?
What do you
A
mean?
lot of money.
It's very little.
You know what?
Iyafika for 2 seconds seyiphumile 5K because inezinto ezininzi.
Andizugive up. Kulungile.
But Dlams, I feel like you don't try.
I've been trying.
And you know my weekly activities.
I do.
And I started my body treatments recently. You know how much those are. So you know that if 5K incinci.
And you expect ukuthi mina kube yimi ubhadala lezo zinto.
Yeah, when the relationship is established. I'm not the type of girl to date someone and then after 2 weeks I have an emergency. But when the relationship is established, because you understand, we handle issues and just tell.
Zikho yebo, yabona lezi ilingana namandla ami. Ngizozengilisha. Lezi ezilingana
You are Dlamini, izinto ezilingana amandla akho.
ukuthenga boma oatmeal, boma muesli, 6 pack yobisi. Yabo,
I don't even.
ukubhadala amanzi, ukuthenga ugesi. Yabo lezi ilingana.
What about my actual rent?
No, angithi extra rent vele sithembele kumama wakho.
Wow. Wow.
Until izinto ke zibe, but for now, please try and understand ukuthi this is
Dlamini, my nail is broken. I broke my nail
vele wakhiphe wonke.
3 days. I went wenze so ngicela imali yabo ke wo.
No, angithi kuse uJanuary manje. Angeke sikhuluma indaba zamazi.
You've got money, Dlamini.
Ngithatha.
Sicela imali amazipho.
Ayi malini?
800 rand.
We. Wait.
So awuzondenza amazipho.
Awusasho ukuthi 250 ke.
You
80.
No, akhona amazipho 250. But the way I do my nails. Kaloku ngizofika ndisoke no
Lawa
sock.
plan kanje 80.
No, not these ones.
Mina
These were 600.
still. Hayi still.
So I was but in
Phinda wena
8
you pay 600 for lezi nzipho. Yabo?
Why are you guys like this?
Yabo? Would you pay inzipho for 800? Ngiyabonga phinda, I'm not alone in this, so understand.
So awufuna undenza inzipho.
Akusuthi angifuni. Akusuthi angifuni, beka kamoto angifuni.
Do you want to contribute to my nails?
Ngawukhipha 150 awuna ngikhipha.
Phambeni. Siphambana Dlamini.
Ufuna ngikhiphe malini?
Okay, fine, you can contribute 450.
Khotha manje. Ayisay khona.
Dlamini ukhala 450. Okay, let's close the show. I'll do my own damn nails. I'll do my own nails.
Ayilisa ngiyakufuna impela mfethu kodwa hayi.
450.
Awu, awungeke mfana, hey, too much, hey, too much. Oh, 450.
You're contributing on it. And also, I Uber to the place. So I have to, I'm counting my Uber as
that's
well.
another expense on its own.
I'm counting my Uber as well. My Uber today is 90 rand. So I'm going to need 180. To and back.
From.
Yes.
God, mfana,
So my 800 rand minus 180.
ayibini taxi.
Taxi?
Ngoba suthi la uhlala khona ama taxi awadluli ngikhona.
I'm glad they don't because I'm not going to hop on a taxi.
Lisamfisa ngicabangele ukuthi
So,
asicabangele.
okay, did you give 180 get transport? Nemalo sokhish 50 rand.
Ayivali show yakho sihamba.
180 plus 50 rand Dlamini.
Ayivali show yakho sihambe mfana, hey. Yabona ukuba ukhuluma ngo150. Na u150 lo wenzipho. Phelele lapho. Ayikho enye imali engizoyikhipha 150. Is as much as na umningi kodwa ngizo.
Okay, fine, give me 200.
Ngikhuluma ngo150 ngitshela nge200.
Saba mali. I know you always carry cash.
I don't carry cash. I don't.
Saba kan ukusearch. Tell me ukusearch.
Ngizofuna ukuzesha kanti.
Dlamini kha ukhuphe imali.
Ana.
Ukhuphe imali.
Ngifethu hayi ngeke hayi.
200 rand.
Yonke into kalili it's about money ma-ampe. Awuyinkayo.
Afuna ukuba le mali, azokuba le mali.
Okay, asiqale sibone lento ukuthi iyasebenzani.
Hey Ben.
I-relationship lo.
Kaloku Dlamini funeka uqale uvula umlomo.
Awukwazi ukuvula imlomo, ingulube uyithengise esakeni.
Ivula umlomo.
Awukwazi wathengisa.
Sawuzonika le mali Dlamini.
Ngeke khohle.
200 rand.
Noma ngithemtha kanjani namhlanje ngeke. Hayi. Hayi ke.
Dlamini 200 rand.
Ithi ngibambe.
Let me close. If you remember, so you 200 rand.
Zekhiphe yebanga.
I'm gonna close the show. Ukubamba kaloku noko 1,000 rand. Guys, let's close. Akafuna unike imali uDlamini. It's fine. Dlamini, I'm gonna close the show. It's fine.
Please close the show.
So awufuni 1,000 rand for ukubamba.
Right.
Because my papers are not worthy of 1,000 rand.
Worthy. Kodwa mina nginayo. Akone.
Dlamini, my name is broken.
Le ikeli 150 uzoyicontribute.
Okay, fine. All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ and do follow me on Facebook, Lisa Sirame, and follow Dlam.
Instagram welcome_Dlamini 88, on Facebook it's welcome Dlamini, TikTok welcome Dlamini. Danko.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.